Deep in the heart of Willow Woods, nestled between the tall, whispering trees, stood an old cobblestone mansion. The townsfolk often spoke of the ghost that lived there, a friendly specter named Oliver. Unlike the spooky ghosts of other tales, Oliver loved to make friends, especially with children. One sunny afternoon, three friends, Lily, Sam, and Ben, decided to explore the mysterious woods. "I heard there's a ghost in the old mansion," said Sam with eyes wide with excitement. "Maybe we'll meet him," chimed in Ben, clutching his backpack filled with snacks and a flashlight just in case. As they reached the mansion's gate, Lily hesitated. What if he's not as nice as people say? But her curiosity soon overshadowed her fears, and the trio gingerly made their way inside. The inside was dusty and filled with cobwebs, but it had a charm that only time could create. As they wandered through the grand hall, an unexpected, gentle breeze rustled the curtains. It was Oliver, welcoming his new guests. "Hello, young adventurers," a soft voice echoed across the hall. The kids jumped but quickly realized there was nothing to fear. "Are you Oliver?" asked Lily, peering into the shadows. "Yes, and I've been hoping for visitors," replied Oliver, his translucent form shimmering in the sunlight pouring through the tall windows. Over the next few hours, Oliver showed them around the mansion, sharing stories of the past and revealing hidden secrets. The children were fascinated by tales of grand parties, secret passageways, and a hidden room filled with treasures. The day passed quickly, and soon the sun began to dip beyond the horizon. "You must return before it gets dark," warned Oliver gently. As they left, Oliver floated to the gate with them. "Promise you'll visit again," he called, waving his ghostly hand. "We will," the children promised in unison, their hearts full of joy and their minds brimming with stories to share. From that day on, the old mansion was no longer a mystery, but a place of friendship. Willow Woods was never the same, as every child dreamed of meeting the friendly ghost named Oliver.